This is one of the most delicious grilled chicken that you're gonna try. Hey Salam, I hope you guys do well. Halal Chef is back with another video, and this time I'm making spicy grilled chicken. I'm gonna serve this grilled chicken with my favorite rice and a mouth-watering potato salad. It's gonna be amazing. You're really gonna enjoy with your family and friends. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. We're gonna start with the chicken. I'm using your chicken legs. You could use a whole chicken, chicken wings, etc. Now using your knife, you want to add deep cuts to the chicken. This will not only speed up the cooking process, but will save you time when you can't leave to marinate for longer periods. 3 cuts on the front and 3 cuts on the back. Now season generously with a good touch of the pink and black pepper. Open up your grinder a little so we get nice coarsely ground pepper. Also a good touch of sea salt, and make sure to season it from both sides. Now it's best if you leave this to rest for at least an hour or dry brine overnight. Now I want to kind of marinate which is a bit spicy and has some sweet sourness to it. With the garlic cloves. Here I'm using flesh of whole lemon. Adds more body to our marinade and it's more flavoursome. Nice and thick pieces of fresh zest from the same lemon. The king of herbs, fresh thyme. Get rid of the thick twigs if you can. Tamarind paste, again to add some body and tanginess. Chipotle chili, or you could use cayenne pepper with the amazing smoked paprika. And finally a good touch of sea salt in there. A touch of water so we can blend this. And finish this off with extra virgin olive oil, or you could use sunflower oil. Now you want to cover and blend this until nice and smooth. Alright, let's check out our marinade. It looks amazing. Have a little taste. Perfect. Now once the chicken is rested, add it into this bowl. Add half of the marinade onto your chicken, and we're gonna save some for later use. Now wash your hands and give this a really good mix. You could use gloves. Now again, it would be best if you can leave it to marinate overnight. If you got no time, then start cooking. Alright, now to cook our chicken, turn up the heat around medium-high. Touch of the oil. Now once nice and hot with your chicken, we're gonna let this grill from both sides until it's 50% done. And then we're going to finish the rest in the oven. Apply some more of the marinade on top. Alright, let's turn this. Bismillah. Look at those amazing grilling marks. Again, you want to apply the marinade. Alright, once the chicken is 50% done, we're gonna remove it. Now the chicken goes into this baking tray. Like I said, cook the chicken until it's 50% done. Now before we add this in the oven, I'm just gonna brush it with some more marinade. We're adding layers of flavors in here. It's gonna be amazing. Touch of the salt and pepper. And finally spread some of the oil as well. Now this goes in a preheated oven at 200 Celsius for around 25 to 30 minutes until the internal temperature reaches 75 Celsius. Make sure you always preheat your oven. For our delicious potato salad with the boiled potatoes and with the finely chopped small shallot. Some of these thinly sliced spring onions, they're so fragrant. And with the finely chopped gherkins, also some of these capers. Touch of this vinegar with the fresh mayonnaise, parsley. Season with freshly ground black pepper and salt. Now finish with olive oil and give this a really good mix. Our amazing potato salad, done. Have a little taste. So delicious. For the rice, turn up the heat around medium. You get a good touch of the oil. When the oil is nice and hot in with your onions, give that a mix, and we're looking for a golden dark brown color. I'm only using half an onion to flavor our rice. And with the tomato paste, touch of the water. You want to cook the rawness of the paste, should take you around a minute. There's no ginger and garlic in this. Our stock got ginger and garlic. Now in with our spices. I've got here saffron, cumin seeds, cardamom. Now give that a mix. And cook the rawness of those spices. You can always deglaze if you need to. Now in with the stock. Give that a mix and you want to bring this to simmer. Now in with your rice that was soaked in water for at least 30 minutes. Now give this a really good mix and you want to let this cook until there's some water left. It's best to leave it covered. As you can see, there's some water left. Now place a clean kitchen cloth on the top, place your lid, and we're gonna let this steam up for around 13 to 15 minutes on low heat. Alright guys, let's check this. Bismillah. Now that looks fantastic. Just turn off the heat. Add some of this butter, finely chopped fresh thyme. The rice smells amazing. Let's have a little taste. Wow, so delicious. Our amazing aromatic rice. Done. Alright guys, our mouth-watering chicken is done. Alright guys, let's plate this up. Here with your chicken. Bismillah. Alhamdulillah, looks really good. Here with our amazing potato salad. Our rice. Some of the sauce. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. It looks amazing. I'm gonna try our potato salad first. Bismillah. That is so delicious. It's so creamy. And I love the spring onions with it. So good. Those amazing capers, gherkins. Adds a bit of tanginess to it. Let's try our rice now. The saffron alone has added a beautiful aroma. Bismillah. Imagine you didn't have the chicken. You can just enjoy the rice on its own. Now let's try our chicken now. Bismillah. It is so good. I'm just lost for words. The chicken is perfectly cooked and the marinade is amazing. Gonna try some of the chicken along with the rice. Like I said before, this is one of the best grilled chicken that you're gonna try. The flavors were amazing. It was cooked to perfection. Please do me a favor and share this video with your family and friends. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure subscribe, make sure like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.